you've ever searched for a full-service interior designer in New Jersey, you're probably not just looking for someone to pick fabrics or suggest a sofa. You are looking for clarity. You want your home to feel cohesive, elevated, and intentional without having to make hundreds of decisions yourself. In this video, I'm going to explain what full-service interior design actually means, what it includes, how the process works, and why it's the smartest choice for high-end residential homeowners in New Jersey. Most people begin looking for full-service interior design because something feels off. Their home just doesn't feel good. You know what you like when you see it. But translating that into a fully formed vision for your home is where things get complicated. Every decision affects the next decision. Finishes impact furniture. Layout affects lighting. Cabinetry influences hardware. And one decision made without thought early on will ripple, not positively, through the entire project. At the same time, your life doesn't pause. Your work continues. Family responsibilities remain, and your schedule is full. Full-service interior design exists to replace scattered, disconnected decisions with a clear direction and one professional overseeing how everything comes together. The result is not just a better home, it's a calmer process. It's intentional and lays the groundwork for a beautiful vision. The term full-service interior design is often used loosely, but at a true residential level, it means comprehensive oversight from concept to installation. Our first step is concept development and vision planning. Every successful project starts with understanding and clarity. This stage includes in-depth discovery conversations, lifestyle analysis, site documentation, and concept development. The goal isn't to follow trends, it is to translate how you live into a cohesive design direction that guides every future decision thereafter. Our second stage is space planning and architectural coordination. Layout and flow are just as important as aesthetics. This stage includes optimizing room layouts, improving circulation, coordinating with architects or builders and trades, to planning built-ins or structural elements. Our third stage is material and finish selection. In New Jersey homes, especially older properties or renovation projects, thoughtful space planning can dramatically improve functionality. It's not just about what the room looks like, but how you use the room. And this is where decision fatigue often sets in. Flooring, tile, cabinetry, countertops, paint colors, hardware, fixtures, ceiling applications, all of it must work together. In a full-service interior design process, selections are curated intentionally. Instead of endless options, you're presented with refined choices aligned with your overall vision. Our fourth stage is furniture, lighting, and custom sourcing. Full-service design goes beyond selecting a sofa. It includes scaled furniture layouts, detailed elevations, layered lighting plans, custom or semi-custom pieces, complete soft furnishings. The goal is timeless, livable design that holds long-term value. Our fifth stage is project management and implementation. This is often the most overlooked benefit. Ordering and tracking materials, time consuming, coordinating delivery, so much coordination, making sure everything is on site, on time, every time, communicating with trades. We need to bring them into the vision so everyone is aligned with the final outcome. And managing timelines, making sure the process is moving along. This is where a clear vision is crucial. We want to resolve issues before they reach you. So when the vision is clear, decisions are made that align with the vision you approved. Instead of acting as a project manager, you have one expert overseeing the entire process. Designing homes in New Jersey comes with unique considerations. There is a wide range of housing styles, from historic colonials to modern new construction. Many homes involve renovations or additions. Older layouts may need structural rethinking. Local trades require coordination. Weather and seasonal timing can affect installation schedules. A structured, full-service interior design approach ensures that these factors are addressed cohesively rather than reactively. That is how homes feel complete rather than assembled in stages. Now, where do you find someone who can do all that? Well, not all designers who use the term full service operate at the same depth. When evaluating options, look at the process. Is there a defined structure from discovery through installation? Do they manage, coordinate, and procure? Do they simplify your role rather than expand it? A true residential full-service interior design firm should reduce complexity. It is easy and simple for you. Choosing a full-service interior designer in New Jersey is ultimately about trust. Trust that someone understands your lifestyle, understands your home, your standards, and your vision. They have your back. If you're planning a renovation, a new construction project, or a full home transformation, a structured, full-service approach can change not just the result, but the entire experience. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, or comment. I'd love to hear from you. And the next video is up here.